Hello, my people. I trust you're all having a good time. Now, onto this one, still on the matter of bringing important news to you. The people of Ogun State are angry. They are not happy at all because the road that was constructed for them by the Ogun State government has been damaged as a result of rainfall. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do so you won't miss out on any important news updates from us. Okay, now let me read the headline. Anger in Ogun State as newly rehabilitated road by the state government collapses after heavy rainfall. Now I'm wondering why should this new road that they've built collapse just within 4 weeks, and as a result of rainfall? That means the materials used to construct the road are substandard, and luckily nobody was killed. There was no casualties. So now we can all see the negligence. I don't know if I should say it's the negligence of the government or the negligence of the construction company, because I don't know why you should embark on such serious projects with substandard materials. Okay, now this road was recently completed around that Makun, Shagamu area, located in the Shagamu local government area of Ogun State, and it collapsed 2 months after its opening. They had wanted to build the community's infrastructure. The road, known as Ojumele Ajegunle Road, was featured in a short documentary published on various social media platforms by the state government for 4 weeks ago. Now you can imagine the embarrassment. Something that they've already broadcast, people have celebrated them, people have praised them, that, oh, you guys did a good job, and just look at how everything just scattered. It's a shame, really. It is a shame, because I wonder if the money wasn't enough for the substandard materials to be used in constructing the road, or is the fault of the construction company, because this is not nice at all. As usual, people have talked about the matter. It didn't all go well with people. A social media user identified as Rihanna, she's also not pleased with these developments. She expressed skepticism about the government efforts, stating that the government obviously didn't do anything. They just played around and they used hoodlums as an excuse. They also didn't use a good material. Aside, there is something about building infrastructures. Most of all these politicians, sometimes, should I say sometimes, or most of the time, when they are giving funds to build infrastructures, they manage it. They don't utilize it properly to ensure that what they are doing is it's going to work out very well. It's going to be very strong and solid. Most of the time, they manage it and do ras job and pocket the remaining funds. Still boils down to selfishness and greed. Aside roads rather, our medical facilities. Have we gone to a government-owned medical facilities to see the equipment used there? Are they enough? They are not even enough to reach the growing population of patients that enter there day in, day out. The beds are not even enough. The equipment are not even enough. And even the medical personnel don't care. I was talking to somebody one day and the person was like, he went to Luth, Luth, Luth Hospital at Idiaraba. And he was like, no, 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 no. That place is a slaughterhouse. Why should it be that way? Why should it be so? Why should it be termed as a slaughterhouse? A place that ought to save lives. Hospitals that are supposed to save lives, termed slaughterhouse. So imagine if a foreigner comes into the country and a foreigner hears that, what is his impression going to be about our system? It's really, really bad. It's really sad. That is why most of the time, when all these infrastructures are developed, especially medical infrastructure, medical facilities, after 1 year, 2 years, they stop operating. It just look like a deserted place where nobody exists. This is not how it's supposed to be. I mean, in a country, medical facilities ought to be very important. Roads, infrastructures, all those things would even attract investors to come into the country, to invest, to boost our revenue. Even the so-called public-owned hospitals are not even affordable to the poor people. They are not affordable. And the stress, by the time someone passes through the whole stress, the person they are trying to save would have died. The same thing too with education, schools. The government are building. The equipment there, the chairs, the tables, everything. Even the building. This is not how we're supposed to be. Attention is supposed to be focused on all these important sectors. Now look at a road that was constructed. Didn't even last up to 2 months. Okay. So that's what Rihanna said. Now, Zubairu Abdullahi said the road was poorly constructed. Obviously, the road was poorly constructed. And thank God no lives were lost. There was no casualty. So that's it on the matter, my people. Thank you so much for listening. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please do, so you won't miss out on important news updates from us. Thank you.